Hello students, how are you all? Welcome back to your virtual class of GK. Students, today we'll start with our new chapters of GK. This is for your SA2, Summative Assessment 2. So open your book on page number 26, Unit 4, chapter number 16 on page number 26, Fun Fruits and Veggies. Students, do you know what are fruits and what are vegetables? Fruits make up a large portion of our diets. A fruit is a seed-bearing part of a flowering plant that can be eaten as food. Did you know there are many foods that we consider to be vegetables but are actually fruits? Foods such as avocados, cucumbers, squash, and yes, even tomatoes are all fruits. Fruits make up a large portion of our diets. Fruits can be eaten raw, frozen, stewed, cooked, or even dried. Fruits can be fleshy like tomatoes or peaches, or they can be dry like coconuts or peanuts. Fruits can have many seeds in them like cantaloupe and watermelon, and they can have one single seed in them like avocados, almonds and cherries. Fruits may be very large like pumpkins and may be very small like blueberries. Here are some examples of fruits like apples, bananas, pears, plums, tomatoes, peaches, avocados, raspberries, blackberries, strawberries, pineapples, figs, breadfruit, mulberries, etc. Students, now we will talk about veggies or vegetables. What are vegetables? Vegetables are the parts of a plant that are solid and savory enough to be part of the meal before dessert. Vegetables are a hearty side dish or base for the main course. Vegetables grow from plants, but they do not have seeds on or inside them. Vegetables are parts of plants that are consumed by humans or other animals as food. Now, I will give you some examples of vegetables. Potatoes, lettuce, carrots, mushroom, brinjal, also known as eggplant, carrot, ginger, cauliflower, turnip, capsicum, French beans, onions, lotus stem, garlic, spinach, jackfruit, yam, etc. are all vegetables. Students, a fruit is usually thought of as any sweet tasting plant product with seeds, whereas a vegetable is any savory or less sweet tasting plant. Students, now we'll read our chapter number 16 of GK. So, open your book at page 26, chapter 16, Fun Fruits and Veggies. Let's take a look at this chapter. Do you know that a native African fruit called the African horned cucumber tastes like a cucumber and a banana, a fruit and a vegetable? What fun, isn't it? Can you name the following native African fruits and vegetables? Use the help box. Students, now look at these pictures carefully and you have to answer You have to guess the name of the fruit or vegetable and you have to write their answers below them. So let's start. Here we are given with the first picture. Students, try to recognize this first picture. Look carefully and try to recognize it. Yes, this is an African eggplant. Its correct answer is African eggplant. There is a column given to you below this picture. You can write there African eggplant. Now take a look at second picture. Something is given to us in this second picture. Try to recognize it. Yes, it is a fig. Its answer is fig. You can write fig in the column given to you. Now, coming on to third picture, try to recognize this. Which vegetable is this? Yes, this is okra. You can write its name okra in the column given to you. Okra, also known as ladyfinger. Now come to fourth picture. Try to recognize which fruit is this. Yes, students, this is a custard apple. I repeat, custard apple. Write its answer below this, custard apple. Now coming on to last picture, try to recognize this. Which picture is this? Whether it is a fruit or a vegetable, try to recognize it. Yes, its correct answer is cassava. I repeat, cassava. You can write cassava in the column given to you.